I love you all. Thank you so much for showing up so fully. We will be sending out more information about the immersion, and
Yeah.
please do apply for the scholarship. We're so excited to keep on doing free events and just to just genuinely continue to live our own morning habits. And these ideas, these intuitions come in, and that's how this one came. And we will continue to support you with free events and free community. And then there is always the opportunity to dive in deeply if you can.
And please share it with anyone you know
Oh,
who
yeah.
wants to join us in things like this. Like just being together in the love. This is something the world could really use here. And the more the merrier. I really do feel like the more hearts, the more souls, beings we have coming together, the greater that shift is happening. And that we are kind of on a tipping point of a new way of being on planet Earth. So it's very exciting. In ways it looks very challenging and difficult, but to me it's also very exciting inside of me because I know what is the truth of what's going on.
Yeah.
And when I connect to that, when I meditate, when I do my allowing love, it's so big, it's so powerful. So we will call in the light. We'll do a final centering with you all. Love you all so much. So yeah, we just come present into this love that we are, into our heart of hearts. That is the one heart of spirit, of soul, of the beloved, which says, be loved and be loved. And we just relax into that beingness that is beyond the doing. And that also does it all. That really it's love doing it all. It's love having its way with us, opening us to who we are. That is already present, but really we are just remembering it. We are coming in out of a sleep in some ways. And sometimes it could be a little groggy. We could be a little grumpy. And one thing I know about love is its infinite patience. And so we do ask to have greater patience for ourselves, and in that way for all. Not only people, animals, whatever there is, but just the world in general, how it moves and changes, that there is a perfect timing for all of it. And so really we're planting seeds here of love as we just walk this earth, as we connect to our own loving, as we are kinder to ourselves, as we say, I love you, as we say, I hear you, I forgive myself. And really all we need is the willingness to let go, the willingness to allow love. We don't even know need to know how to do it. Thank God. And we just ask for any clearing, healing, completion through the highest good be done. And that truly we can receive of the greatest gifts of who we are more and more with every breath we take. That we can live in heaven on earth. And to me, that's what we are doing here right now. So I'm so grateful. Thanks for showing up. We acknowledge our human selves for showing up, being so incredible. And our spiritual selves, our souls. And just so it is.
And so it is.
Love you all so much.
Love you all.